Good morning, friends.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine.
Okay, how was your day today?
Very good, ma'am.
So, before starting our lecture, I'm going to ask you a question. Tell me if your friend is telling something to you and you are listening very carefully, but when you are speaking and he or she is ignoring you, then how will you feel?
Bad.
You will feel very bad today, right?
Yes.
So, why you will feel bad?
Because they ignored us.
Because he or she is not attentive. Yes, exactly. So today our topic name is be a good listener. The value of being a good listener. So subject
एजुकेशन बेनिफिट होते फोटोग्राफ्स होते एजुकेशन ओवरऑल हाई डेवलपमेंट स्टेटस ऑफ द प्लेस
डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणजे ते
तिथं काय डेव्हलप
हिस्ट्री मध्ये होतं ते. दुनियाच्या
इथं नाही जॉब नव्हते आधी जॉब नव्हता ह्युमन होतं बरं का ह्युमन होतं फिजिकल
माझ्या जे भेटले त्याच्यामध्ये दाखवता येईल ना त्याला मुलगी होती पोरांना तिथं किती बांधकाम झालं होतं
ह्या सगळी आहे
ते सांगते मी जेव्हा यशस्वी पोरगी मुलगी होती जेव्हा
What is today's date?
ती त्यांना मुलगी होती ती तिथे बांधकाम डेव्हलपमेंट स्टेटमध्ये ती म्हणतात 19 नोव्हेंबर येस वाढवतात आहे डेव्हलप करताय असं मी सांगितलं होतं त्यांना
याचं क्वेश्चन
वेडनेसडे
So, our main component of this topic is being a good listener, right? So, you should always be attentive when your friend or someone is speaking. So, being attentive. Being attentive. So, I'm going to tell you one conversation. If there are two characters, Rahul and Suruti, they are talking with each other. Rahul is telling something very important about his life, like he was hurt that his father and mother were quarreling with him about the career, and he was very hurt, and he came and he was like sharing the things with his friend. But Suruti was busy in doing her own work. She was just saying, yes, okay, fine. And he was just speaking and telling about his life, whatever things or whichever things was hurting him. So that time, after that, whatever he was telling, that thing ended. And he felt very bad that he said that Sukriti, just give me your view, tell me what should I do. But she didn't respond anything, and she was just ignoring. She was ignoring him. Why? Do you know why she was ignoring? She was busy in doing her own work, and here we can come to know that this is a very being a bad listener, but you should always be a good listener. Whenever you are talking with your friend or you are talking with your parents, you should always be a good listener. So here we are going to listen something today. Tell me what you are listening. Okay, let me check your listening skills.
याचे नंबर पण असतात जसं आता चॅटबॉट असेल तर ते मोबाईल फाईल वर्क करत आहे किंवा कुठच्या याच्यावर करत आहे
Listen carefully.
हां तर त्यासाठी लायसन्स ते पण
शिक्षणातील शैक्षणिक त्याचा उपयोग काय लिमिटेशन त्याचं लिमिटेशन सजेशन कशी काय स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ
It started raining heavily. The school was in
टीचर्स काय theoretically मग त्याचं
He
स्क्रीनशॉट
started doing anything but suddenly lost his balance and fell in the rainwater. He called his friend, the puppy, for help. The puppy came to his rescue. The squirrel climbed.
So okay, this was a 1 minute short story. When you are listening to someone, now you are listening the story, right? You are attentive. But when same is about the listening skill which you are following in your day-to-day life. When you are talking with your friend, when you are talking with your parents, or even if your teacher is teaching you, you should be attentive. If you are ignoring that thing, then you will not learn anything in life. And same will also happen with you. Yes or no? So, any one of you give me the example of how can a good listener be? What should be in the qualities a good listener should have? Anyone? Yes?
A good listener should listen to a person, should be attentive, not ignore them.
Yes. Attentive. One more.
Listener shows the interest in someone, what he or she is saying.
Yes, exactly. One more.
When a good listener should always reply to a person to their things.
Yes, very good.
He should react correctly.
Yes, and one more thing very important, that if you are listening to someone and he's whatever he is saying, you are not understanding anything, then politely you should ask him that I am not understanding whatever you are saying, can you just repeat? Then only whatever the things which you are speaking, that will also get the value. So, being a good listener,
हे टाका ना सर एकदा रेशो किती येते म्हणजे 13 ला किती मात्र येतात 16 ला किती येतात 17 ला किती येतात. हे टाकून द्या ना आम्हाला. काढून द्या ना आम्हाला टाकून आम्ही ते टाकून देतो.
the things which are important are
हे रबर फक्त
concentration,
मायक्रो 6 झाली इंटिग्रेशन 4 सिम्युलेशन 2 1200 मध्ये 13
listening,
1200 किती
बापरे
listening, and then understanding whatever you have listened, you should understand that topic. Fourth one is receiving. And keeping in mind whatever you have heard, the person will ask you next day. Yesterday I told you this story or what this dialogue, and you will your mind is fresh. Is it okay? No, you should remember it. So the main component is also remembering it. Now I am giving you one situation. Gayatri, tell me, if your any one of your friend is in trouble and he's asking for a polite request that please help me or please guide me, then he's speaking, he's telling whatever the problem he was having. And in that situation, what will be the steps you will follow to listen, being a good listener? What steps you will follow?
First of all, I would listen to his problem and then I will try to solve
Yes.
what the problem he has.
Yes.
So I would give him advice.
Yes, you will listen to
I would react correctly.
Yes, first politely you will listen what is happening with him or her, then you will respond on that thing and you will keep it remember, and then you will also give the solution to the person. So what is the topic today we have learned?
Be a good listener.
Be a good listener. So you will follow from today, you will be a good listener?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay. Whatever the person is saying, you should listen in properly, and that only thing will also happen with you. So we have learned this topic today. We will continue the writing part in next lecture. Thank you. You tell me, if you are sharing your life's problem or any trouble to your friend, then what will be the steps you will follow with him while talking, or what will be the procedure while being a good listener? Yes.
I'm sharing.
Yes.
Okay, I will first I will found that person is having interest in that or not. Then I will share my.
Yes. And if he or she is sharing, then what will
Okay,
you
then
do?
first I will listen to her problem.
As you are a good listener, then what will be the steps?
If I can give any suggestion, I will give, and expect that if I can help in some way, so I will do that.
Yes. First you listen to the person, whatever he or she is saying to you, whatever problem he or she is having in his life, then you will respond towards it. You will listen it carefully. Concentration is the main part first. Whatever he is saying, you should listen. Your concentration should be there. Then you should listen properly. Understanding. Now only listening is important. No, only listening is not important. You should also understand what the person is saying, or what the he or she is saying, and receiving. Receiving is what? Whatever he or she is saying, that it should receive towards you. Yes. And the last one is remembering it the next day or within 15 days. If you are ignoring that thing, that yes, you have shared me this topic or you have told me this topic, no, you should not ignore that topic. You should always remember the topic, whatever he or she has spoken to you. So in your life, so many phases will come. Your friend will speak with you, your parents will speak with you, your parents are guiding you about your career or something. So you should always be careful while listening. So being a good listener is a skill. Stop. If two persons are speaking, now we have seen the one side, that being a good listener. But tell me, what will be the responsibility of who is telling? Whatever the problem or whatever the question, whatever he or she is telling, then what will be his responsibility? He should blindly find a person and speak towards him, or yes or no? No. Then what should be the quality according to you?
It will depend on how friendly the person is.
Yes, how friendly, how the person is, or whatever his behavior is there. Yes, I agree. And then?
Before saying a problem, a person should find if he is comfortable with the person or not. Then only a person should tell their problems to a person.
Yes. According to the person, we know if the person we know that he is a person that he is very good in speaking or something, he can
Find comfort in
yes. If we are finding comfort in sharing the whatever problem is there with him, then you should speak with that person. So this is also the very important point in being a good listener. Communicate. This being a good listener also helps you in your future and in your career, because whatever the things are there, whatever the important notice are there, if you are attending the lectures, if you are attending the camps, if you listen one thing very carefully, that time only you will understand after going home that what was the main point, what was in exam also it is helpful for you. So not only in being a good person in your life, but also for your career, also for your studies. If a teacher is teaching you, or if you have attended any session, there you should also be attentive. Each and every point you should listen it very carefully, because
all the time the college.
yes. So during, if you are sitting and writing your exam, that time you recollect your mind tells you, this point your teacher has said. So why you recollect that point? Because you are attentive at that time, yes or no? So same, you should always be a good listener, not only being a good person or listening to our friend or our parents, but also while listening whatever sessions, lectures, or you are in school, you are listening, you should always be attentive. So today we have learned the topic being a good listener.